So hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can create a mobile optimized e-commerce store by using a new application which is called pCommerce. I'm going to show you this application, what is it and how it works, etc. But before I do, I want to mention that there is a link below this video. When you click that link, you will be redirected to the official website. And if you decide to pick up this product from my link, then you will be able to get my awesome and premium bonuses as well for free. Now how to take bonuses, where to take them, all the further details are mentioned in the description box. So make sure you check out that. So now let's dive right into it and let me show you what exactly pCommerce is and how it works. So pCommerce is cloud-based platform which quickly creates mobile optimized e-commerce stores powered by other people's products and secure P2P payments. A commercial license is included, so in just a few clicks you can build and rent digital stores to business for recurring rental payment. So as you know that the e-commerce industry is growing 23% year to over year, and yet 46% of American small businesses still don't have a website. By the year 2040, it's estimated that 95% of all purchases will be through e-commerce. So now we are on the preview sales page of pCommerce, and here you can see breakthrough technology setups done for you peer-to-peer e-commerce stores in less than 60 seconds. And here you can see all the features of pCommerce. So you can create secure P2P stores quickly and easily, create of secure stores in minutes. All the products you will ever need, search and add the most profitable and high selling products to your store. Never touch or ship a product. You never have a store, pack or ship any products. Hosting included, free hosting, storage and bandwidth for all your stores you will provide it to you. Create stores for local businesses, a great source of income to grow your bottom line, and you will receive free commercial license, make as many sales as you want, and rent secure stores to local businesses. So these all are the features and benefits you will receive after purchasing this pCommerce product. Here are some sample images you can see which has been created by using pCommerce. So here you can see some stores looks like. You can also see this. So you are just 3 steps away to build your e-commerce store. The first step is set up your store, magically create your store and connect it to a secure crypto payment processor. Step 2, choose your products, find only the most profitable, high selling in the demand products, and they will help you add more those to new smart e-commerce store to profit today. And in the step 3, just make profits, use their custom automated and secure pCommerce store to start generating profits within a minute. And this is all about one-time payment, no monthly fee, commercial license is included. So yeah, just immediately get access to pCommerce. And yeah, that's all I have to say about this application. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and again there is a link in the description below, so don't forget to check this out. If you decide to purchase pCommerce, then I am going to give you some awesome and premium bonuses as well for free, which will help you to grow your online field. So don't purchase this product without my custom bonuses. And if you would like to follow me, then make sure to subscribe my channel to also get future updates about other products that are being launched every single day. So that's all. Thank you so very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you in my next review. Until then, bye bye, take care.